Here the question is to explain the principles involving in the given refining methods. The first one is vapor phase refining. This is also known as vapor phase purification or vapor phase extraction. This is a technique used to refine the metals by utilizing their volatile compounds. This method is often applied to metals that can form gaseous or vaporous compounds. In the first step, the metal is reacted with suitable reagent to produce a volatile compound. For example, in the refining of zinc, zinc is converting into zinc vapor. The second step is separation. The volatile metal compounds are separated from the non-volatile impurities, and this is typically done by heating the mixture and capturing the vapor in a separate chamber. The third step is recovery. The volatile metal compounds are then decomposed or reduced to recover the pure metal. The second one is chromatography in metal refining. The chromatography is generally applied in specialized scenarios. The first one is separation of metal ions. The chromatography can be used to separate the metal ions from solution, which can be useful in analyzing the composition of the metal ores or refining processes. The second one is the detection and analysis. It helps in detecting the trace metals and impurities in metal samples. Techniques such as ion exchange chromatography, liquid-liquid extraction chromatography can be also employed. The third one is purification. Although not common, certain chromatography techniques might be adapted for purifying metal compounds in specific cases. In the old question, we have to write the chemical equations involving here. The first reaction is the extraction of copper from Cu2s. Here the equations can be represented in two steps. In the first step, the copper sulfide react with oxygen to produce the corresponding copper oxide. In the second step, the copper oxide react with another copper sulfide molecule to produce the pure copper. The second one is the extraction of silver from silver cyanide complex. When the silver cyanide complex is reacting with zinc, zinc will replace silver from the complex ion because zinc is more reactive than silver. So these are the equations. For the first equation you will get 1 mark, and for the second one you will get the next 1 mark. So the total mark will be 2.